Alright, here's Kimmy. Run number 2. Nope, make that 3 on her dirt bike. Action.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You know what to do. You forgot to give it gas, though.
What?
You forgot to give it gas.
You said to be careful.
Yeah, be careful. You don't rev it right up and then give her some because you're going to go over backwards.
Okay, tell me what to do.
You got a half a click up into neutral. There you go. Now let out your clutch and push it and make sure you're in neutral. If it pushes, you're in neutral. If it doesn't, you're not.
It pushes.
Okay, now start it again.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. There we go.
Alright.
Alright, rev it up some. Now you don't want to rev it up that much.
I don't know what some is.
Okay. We're going to come, when you start to go, you want to do this. Just a little bit.
Okay. So, pull in on this?
Clutch, yeah. Clutch.
And then let go of this and
We got to put it in gear first.
oh, how? Down one?
Yes.
Alright.
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 Very little bit of gas. Remember to keep your fingers over that clutch. That's how you're going to stop.
Okay.
There you go. There she goes. We haven't made it to second gear yet, but we're started out on first. She's coming around.